Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how copying and pasting features work on this device. First, let me create an empty text document and show you how copying and pasting works with text. So let's input some sample text. And now, to copy, you can make a selection by holding the left key of your mouse and hover over the text, then right-click and copy, or simply use the CTRL C combination of keys. And now to paste it, use CTRL V combination of keys, or right-click and paste. You can also cut the text out by selecting the sample text that you want to cut out, and then right-click and cut, or CTRL X. And then you can paste it using CTRL V. And the last thing that I want to mention is the clipboard. To activate clipboard, use Windows plus V combinations of keys, then click turn on, and then you can make a couple of different selections. And then use Windows V again, and all of the previous selections will be shown on your clipboard, and you can select which one you want to paste. And that's basically it. So let's close this window and go to the File Explorer so I can show you how copying and pasting features work with files and folders. Let's open the screenshots folder and let's grab a random screenshot, and to copy it you can either click right here, right click and copy, or simply use CTRL C combination. And then to paste it, we can go to a different folder, or we can paste it right here, either by clicking right here to paste, right click, paste, or CTRL V. And as you can see, right now we have two identical screenshots, and this is the copied one since it's indicated as a copy. Now to cut it out, you can either select it and click scissors, right click, cut, or CTRL X. To paste it again, either paste, or right click paste, or CTRL V. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.